Hi kids, today we are learning about brands car name with alphabets. A for Audi. A for Audi. Audi goes fast with shiny lights. Vroom vroom, it's ready to roll. B for BMW. B for BMW. BMW loves to zoom and drive smooth and looks super cool. C for Chevrolet. C for Chevrolet. Chevrolet is strong and bold, it's ready for a big adventure. D for Dodge. D for Dodge. Dodge is tough like a superhero car, hear its engine roar. E for Exceed. E for Exceed. Exceed looks like the future, it's shiny, smart, and super cool. F for Ford. F for Ford. Ford was one of the first cars ever, it's a real road legend. G for GMC. G for GMC. GMC cars are big and brave, great for rocky roads and fun drives. H for Honda. H for Honda. Honda is smart and friendly, perfect for family rides. I for Infinity. I for Infinity. Infinity cars are smooth and shiny, they feel like magic rides. J for Jeep. J for Jeep. Jeep loves to climb and crawl, it's the king of muddy roads. K for Kia. K for Kia. Kia is colorful and cute, small cars with a big smile. L for Lexus. L for Lexus. Lexus rides are quiet and comfy, it's like sitting on a cloud. M for Mercedes-Benz. M for Mercedes-Benz. Mercedes is super fancy, it's a royal car for the road. N for Nissan. For Nissan. Nissan goes everywhere, fast, fun, and ready to explore. O for Opel. O for Opel. Opel is neat and nice, it fits perfectly in tiny spaces. P for Porsche. P for Porsche. Porsche is speedy and sleek, it's built for zooming fun. R for Renault. R for Renault. Renault cars are stylish, like a fashion show on wheels. S for Subaru. S for Subaru. Subaru loves rain and snow, it never says no to adventure. T for Toyota. T for Toyota. Toyota goes and goes, always ready for a fun trip. V for Volkswagen. V for Volkswagen. Volkswagen is the people's car, friendly and fun to drive. C for Zotye. C for Zotye. Zotye is small and smart, perfect for zooming around town. Thank you for checking out Tiny Tales.